Hello students, today we are going to start with the chapter 7th, that is conservation of plants and animals. The term conservation means the process of keeping and protecting something from damage. So the conservation of plants and animals means that plants and animals which occur in the forest should be kept in a way that they remain protected in the natural environment in which they are found. Now before moving forward with the chapter, first of all you need to understand what do you mean by biosphere. Biosphere is that part of the earth in which living organisms exist. It includes land surface of the earth, atmosphere of the earth, as well as water bodies on the earth. And what do you mean by biodiversity? Biodiversity refers to the variety of organisms, that is, plants, animals and microorganisms which are found in a particular area or a habitat. Next, what do you mean by an ecosystem? An ecosystem is a system which includes all the living organisms, that is plants, animals, microorganisms and all the other animals of an area, and the physical environment, that is soil, air and water in which they live. Now, what is the need for conservation? So, the need for conservation is deforestation. The clearing of forest over a wide area is known as deforestation. The forest land cleared of trees is used for different purposes. It is used for procuring land for cultivation, building houses and factories, using wood as fuel or making furniture, etc. The natural causes of deforestation are forest fires and drought. Now, what are the different consequences of deforestation? So, the destruction of forest by the excessive cutting down of forest trees can make the forest disappear completely one day. Due to that, there are certain effects that can be caused in our environment. Like for example, increase in the temperature and pollution level on the earth. Increase in the level of carbon dioxide in atmosphere leading to global warming. Lowering of groundwater level. Disturbs the balance in nature. Decrease in rainfall leading to drought. Soil erosion and decrease in soil fertility leading to desertification. Decrease in the water holding capacity of soil leading to floods. These are few consequences which can be faced if the deforestation is not stopped or if afforestation is not constituted well before. Now there were terms used like for example drought conditions and desertification. What do you mean by drought? Fewer trees would mean that less carbon dioxide will be used up, resulting in its increased amount in the atmosphere. This will lead to global warming as carbon dioxide traps the heat rays reflected by the earth. The increase in temperature on the earth disturbs the water cycle and may reduce rainfall, and this could result in drought. And drought-like conditions will deteriorate all the fields, agricultural fields, as well as no water availability. It will not only affect human life, it will also affect each and every life living in a particular area in which it is caused. And what do you mean by desertification? Removal of top layer of soil exposes the hard and rocky lower layers which have very less humus and air. As they are less fertile, soil becomes like desert and therefore it is known as desertification. And again, this desertification won't allow proper crops and proper plants to grow. As the plants would not be there, the depending on organisms which are depending on the plants for their food requirements, they would also not be there. And hence the whole cycle will get disturbed of that particular area. Therefore, it has to be taken care that forest and wildlife should be conserved. And we will study more of it in our next video. Thank you everyone for watching.